Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday to you. What are we going to do today? I don't know. What do you feel like doing? What do you guys feel like doing? Are you talking to me? Are you telling me what to do today? Uh, I feel like doing another like just graphic something. Let's play with our let's play with a compass. Oh, that's close to the edge. Oh, that went off the edge. Okay, I don't want to go off the edge. Let's make it a little smaller. Smaller yet. Ah, come on. One more little one. I want to make sure that they all intersect this middle circle. Come on. Dawn. Sometimes I have troubles with, well, I didn't move my pencil. That's my fault. The pencil seems to be moving. Needs to be sharpened too. All right, let's sharpen our pencil. And stick it back in there. Okay, that's better. All right, let's do some lines. Why? I don't know. I'm just feeling like doing something graphic today. Just how I feel. I want another circle over here. A little bit bigger. Right there. Maybe right there. I don't usually get this close to the edge. I'm living on the edge today. Watch out. I'm living on the edge. One of these doesn't look straight. That one. Is that one straight? Did I make that one straight? No, I did not even come close to making that one straight. Okay. Oh, maybe we want some that are not straight. Oh, I like those V shape. Okay, let's do that. Let's make these a V shape of some sort. Angles. Angles and lines. What are we doing today? I don't know. We're just playing. We are just playing. That's all. That's all we're doing. Do I want black? Or do I want to play with a color? I want something bigger. I'm going to do a metallic pencil whatever this is. Got the door open if you guys hear any noises from outside. It's a beautiful day. The other day it was super hot, like super hot for mid-December. It was almost 90. It was 89 point something in our backyard. Craziness for December. But we had a hot, dry desert wind that just really messed with my sinuses. Ugh, I had a migraine all weekend. I didn't know the wind was going to come, but my body certainly knew it. The pressure, the change of pressure, the barometric pressure really does my head in. I know it's going to wind before it wins. And I keep forgetting that wind is what does it to me. And I always think, gosh, why do I have such a headache? But it's always the wind. Happened to me the week before Thanksgiving as well. We had quite the weather that day. Not Thanksgiving Day, but the week before. I think it was the Tuesday before. I'm trying to remember what day it was that I had such a headache. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and do this line that I was going to erase that, but I'm going to go ahead and let it go all the way to the edge. I don't usually do that. But today, we're living on the edge. Am I being super precise? No, not really. Am I going to neurographic this? I don't know. Perhaps. That was a little off. That was a little more off than I would have liked, but that's okay. We can't all be perfect. Like I said, the weather is absolutely beautiful today. It's 72 degrees, sunny, not windy. Just a beautiful, beautiful day. I'm going to erase the graphite, not the colored pencil, but the graphite. The graphite comes off easier, so I should be able to erase the pencil without erasing the colored pencil. That's not bad. Okay. I want to change. Don't break your pencil, Dawn. Dropping your pencils is never a good thing. It does break the lead. I want to put dots. What else do I want to do? Do I want to make? I think I'm going to fill in some of these shapes with a pattern. Like that. Just some stripes. Okay. Um, Maybe in here too. And in this one. Okay. And then I feel like some of these need to be filled in solid. Another color. Can't really tell that color from that color very well. I know that they're different, but you can't really tell. So I'll just put one more and then we'll change to a color that you can tell apart. How about green? I feel like this is more of a meditation exercise than it is a pattern exercise, but that's okay. Just take your compass and your straight edge and just make shapes and fill them in as your heart desires. I want one more set of where's the silver? This one. I want silver. I want one more set of pattern, like texture. Maybe circles or dots or something. Like that. So what's going on in your guys' life today? How'd your New Year's go? Got any interesting plans for the end of January or for February? want some more. I want some more. I think I'm done. I feel like, I don't know, I feel like I want one more something. I've got this metallic blue pen. Is it too much? Maybe. Have I done the too much, Jean? Possibly. It needs more dots. Why? I don't know. They just want to live. The dots want to live. I like that. One more. One more set of dots. I think I'm done. Why'd you sign with that great big pen? I don't know. That's just what I felt like signing with. I think we're done. Geometric play. Geometric play is what I'm going to call this, I think. Geometric play for January 7th. All right, you guys have a blessed day. I will see you on the next video. Maybe we'll do another Alina Light pattern on the next video, an actual pattern, and we'll see what happens. Yeah, I think I have time for one more video for drawing for today. That's good. I need to get ahead. I am falling behind where I want to be. You guys won't notice, but I will notice. I need to, it's mid-December right now. I need to get way into January so that during the holidays, during Christmas and New Year's, while my family is here, I don't have to worry about coming out here and drawing. So I need to get like into January. I'd really like to get all the way through January if I can, but I'm not sure that's going to happen. All right, you guys have a blessed day. I will see you guys on the next video. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place, one person at a time. Don't forget to hit likes and subscribe. That helps me out quite a bit. Not Facebook. YouTube has just like really dropped the amount of viewers that they send these videos out to. So I would appreciate it if you would do that for me. That helps the channel a lot. It doesn't seem like it helps a lot, but it really does. All right. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.